2, and what we're going to do today is we're going to either go to Disney World or Magic Kingdom or Star Wars Galaxy or whatever it's called. One of those two. Whatever's better for a 2-year-old baby. So let's go ahead and do that now.
Hi guys.
All right, this is our second day out in Magic Kingdom. Today's gonna be Magic Kingdom, so hopefully we'll have a little bit more rides that she can get on. So this is the line right here, just to get to the other line. So this is the pre-line. This is the line before the line. This ferry's gonna take us over there. All right, so we just got off the boat, and we are gonna get on our this is our third line that we're about to stand on. So this is line number 3. Ava, how'd you like the boat ride? Your first boat ride? I'm gonna have a super shiny forehead and face today because I didn't bring any like things to wipe my sweat. I'm gonna be looking like a hot mess today, but that's all good. So here we go. So we finally walked in to the happiest place on earth, and the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna look for a map. Those little maps, where are they at? Once we get the maps, we'll map, no pun intended, we're gonna map out our day. We're gonna go to all the like kind of like boring stuff for adults, but more so the fun activities for baby Ava. There's a map. All right, so we're gonna get Ava this balloon because she's been, ever since she saw one yesterday at what's the Animal Kingdom, she's been asking for one. So she loves balloons. It's her birthday, we can't say no.
She wants the blue one.
She wants the blue one?
Which one you want?
This one?
This one.
Be $14.
There you go, Daddy.
14?
Yeah, I know, it's Disney, what you expect.
Hey, Ava.
There we go. All right, so we're going to the Robinson's family treehouse. Let's check this out. That was nice. Oh, we're like in the jungle. Made it to the top yet? Yeah, you did. This is actually kind of cool in here, though. It's a nice breeze in there.
All right, now we
Very, very top. right? So I will turn this back on once we get on the ride. See you there.
We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
Let's get our seatbelt on.
Hi everybody, my friend Jeannie is a real safety nut, and he wanted me to remind you to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened nice and tight to make the carpet trip. Riders in the back room, press that box.
Oh my god, this is scary.
Magic clip? We're off.
Kind of scary.
Put your hands up in
Isn't it fun? I'm the driver.
Good, Adam. Bring us down, Adam.
Okay.
And then once we go low, then you're gonna bring us back up.
Like all the way up?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god, that made me smile.
Yeah. Yay, Ava. All right, we're gonna get on the Jungle Cruise. Ready to get on the Jungle Cruise, Adam? Holy crap. All right, this says 60 minutes. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's quicker than that. All right, so we just got off the Jungle Cruise, and the whole time I thought I was recording, I wasn't. So I didn't realize to the very, very end. So you missed the entire Jungle Cruise. It was cool though. At this point, I'm tired. There's a rain cloud up ahead, and I'm really hoping that the rain cloud unleashes some rain. All my enthusiastic energy is slipping away. Adam, are you ready to do one more ride before we head out? All right, just like that, the ride is over. Now we're just waiting for her to get out. And we're gonna go to maybe the teacups, spin around a little bit, get dizzy, and then we'll make a decision whether we stick around or head back to the hotel, take a shower, have a nice dinner before we end the night. Hey, Ava, hold here. Whew, stop.
Hey guys.
Oh. Hi, Adam. Having fun today, Esther? You ready to spin, Ava?
Yeah, I'll be
All right, I'm ready to spin. Mommy decided to not do this because she gets dizzy on these rides, but that's the whole point, is to get dizzy on these rides. She'll get on a roller coaster, but she won't get on the teacups. Leave a comment down below if you're the type of person that would rather get on a roller coaster than a teacup. So let's see those comments. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ava. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. How was that? Good job, man. High five. Yes. All right, so there it is. We are now finally officially walking out of this place because the sun is beating us down. We had enough. And as I said, there's no shade in here compared to some of the other Disney parks. So we're seriously melting right now. Time to make the long walk back to the car. See you there. I just did it. She was scared, but she's gonna do it. I'm so proud of her. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was so scary. Oh my God.